Hello and good morning, students. So today we're going to start exercise number 3C. In that we have to learn about the addition and subtraction of fraction. Yes, this whole chapter is about fractions. So we're going to learn more about addition and subtraction of fractions, and then multiplication of fraction, and then division of fractions. Firstly, we'll learn the first case, that is addition and subtraction of fraction. For every fraction to be solved, like for addition and subtraction, the numerator keeps the denominator same. Yes, so we have to consider this. We have to make keeping the denominator same. For unlike fraction, first change to the like fraction and then add and subtract as given in the question. So for addition and subtraction, firstly we have to keep the numerator as it is and denominator same, that is from unlike to like, and when it became like fraction then add or subtract according to the given question. So this is first case. So first sum, exercise number 3C, reduce to a single fraction. Here we can, so here two different fractions that we have to convert into single fraction. Let's solve it. First, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So we'll try to solve this. Just now I have done, in which you have to make the denominator same, and then whatever given in the question, that is add or subtract, that we have to follow. So firstly we'll make the denominator same. This is 1 by 2. What should be multiplied by 2 to get 6? Why? Because the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. We will be writing this LCM is equal to 6. So here I have multiplied denominator by 3. So same with the numerator, multiply by 3. So both numerator as well as denominator multiply by 3. Here what should I multiply by 2 by 3 to get 6 in the denominator? So I have multiplied 2 in the denominator, similarly numerator as well. So here 1 3s are 3 and 2 3s are 6 plus 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. Now you can see this became like fraction. So when it is like fraction, we can use this addition or subtraction over here. So in a fraction, whenever there is a difference in denominator, you have to make the denominator same and then use this add or subtract. The numerator 3 plus 4 by 6. So 3 plus 4, 7 by 6. Okay. So when the denominator is lesser than the numerator, convert into mixed fraction. So 6 ones are 6. 1 in the remainder by 6. So 1 by 6. So this is how you have to do the addition, making the denominator same. Similarly, we'll do one more sum in which there is a difference in the denominator, but we have to do subtract. Like 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 10. So in this 3 by 5, so the LCM is equal to 5 and 10. So what will be the LCM? Yes, 10 is the LCM of 5 and 10. So since LCM is equal to 10, we'll write 3 by 5. What should be multiplied by 5 to get 10? Yes, we'll be multiplying 5 2s are, so 2 in the numerator as well. This number will remain same, 1 by 10. 3 2s are 6 by 10 minus 1 by 10. So 6 minus 1, keeping the denominator same. Okay, this is 5 by 10. So hope you understand this 5 by 10 if you can convert into simplest form, you can do it. Lowest term, 5 ones are 5 twos are, so final answer 1 by 2. So whenever it is possible, make it to the lowest term. In this case also subtraction was there, but rule is same, making the denominator same. When you make the denominator same, then only you can apply this subtraction. So 6 minus 1 by 10, so 5 by 10, that we have converted into lowest term. Okay, now one more question. Now we'll use this 3 term. See question number 8, wherein there is 3 mixed fraction, and one time we have to do addition and then secondly subtraction. Okay, so this sum will be starting. So I'll write the sums. Just copy down question number 8. 2 1 by 2 plus 2 1 by 3 minus 1 1 by 4. This is the question. Okay, now change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Convert this improper into mixed into improper. See, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2, plus 2 threes are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3. I have already taught you how to convert mixed into improper in exercise number 3A. Now next is 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 4. Okay, this is how to have to convert mixed into improper. Now second, now making the denominator same of all these 3. So I'll be writing here LCM of 2, 3, 4. You have to find, okay, for your understanding I'll find this for you. Like we have 2, 3 and 4 in the denominator. So okay, see here, 2, 3 and 4 in the denominator, 2, 3 and 4. We have to find the LCM. Okay, so 2 twos are 2 ones are 2. Okay, then keeping the 3 as it is because we cannot do it. Then next is 2 twos are 4. Done. Now again table of 2, because this is here 2 is applicable, so 2 same, 1 will remain same, 3 will remain same, 2 ones are 2. Now next is 3, 1 remains same, 1 and then 1. Yes, we got 1 in the last. So now this you multiply, 2 into 2 into 3. See, 2 into 2 into 3. So this 3, like 2 into 2 4, 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 4 into 3 12. So 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is equal to 12. So now making the denominator 12. So what should I multiply by? 5 by 2 to get 12? Yes, 6. So 6 both numerator as well as denominator. Now 7 by 3. What should I multiply by? 7 by 3 to get 12? 3 fours are and again 7 fours are. Minus. What should I multiply by? 5 by 4? So 4 threes are and 5 threes are. So see, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. So I have made multiply the number in such a way we'll get the denominator as 12. Now 5 6 are 30, 30 by 12 plus 7 4s are 28 by 12 minus 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15 by 12. Okay, denominator same. So we'll keep the denominator as it is, while the number 30 plus 28 minus 15. Okay, so 30 plus 28 minus 50. So 30 plus 28, 58 minus 15 by 12. Now nextly we'll write 58 minus 12 is equal to 43 by 12. So now convert into mixed fraction. Why? Because of the denominator. Whenever there is a lesser number in denominator, the digit is less, then we have to convert into mixed fraction. So 12 3s are 36, then 36, 7 remainder, You can do it like this also, like 12 and 43. 12 3s are 36. 7 in the as a remainder. So write 3 7 by 12. So see 3 7 by 12. Write like this. Convert into mixed fraction. Improper. Why improper? When the denominator is lesser than the numerator. So this is you have to do. Question number first of 3C.